Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about sharing a private YouTube video. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to the video that's private, and under visibility, you can click on the drop down here, and you can select where it says share privately. At this point, you go ahead and copy and paste their email addresses into here. They must have their Google account in order to view your private videos. And then you can check mark where it says notify via email and then select done. This is different from being unlisted. Unlisted, anybody can view it. If it's shared privately, only the certain people that you invited here can view it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.